So this is just a recap for live stream 64 and it's recap 70. So let's just see what happened here. So we came into the market, see the market's continuing the upward trend. If you look in the bottom left hand corner here, we've got FOMC, had Apple earnings, and we've had NFP. So we've had this continuation from FOMC to the upside here. Came down towards the 200 period, found support, pulled back briefly, seeing this continuation here to the upside. So we've had a run of bullish candles here to the upside. Came into the market. The first trade we took was our opening trade. We did say it was a particularly dangerous trade because we were shorting into what would have been the just after the VWAP and the 50 period. But we decided to follow the rules and take the trade. The prices turned around. Saw prices starting to hold the VWAP, reversed the position, drew on this box, took profit. And from there, so we were first down about 21 points or so. From there, we took a series of trades, mainly to the long side, looking to target that 62, which was a level we marked out here on the chart. And eventually we ended up with around about 40.9 points. Did think about possibly waiting for a pullback after we saw this move to the upside for a move down to the 36 to go long. But instead, we took our profits and were willing to walk away on our other account. Took a short and that eventually hit target, but we were pretty much done for the day. So it was a shorter day here. The market was somewhat choppy and a bit slow. A little bit choppy, a little bit slow. I thought it would be a range bound day until we broke out here. Thought about taking a breakout earlier, but waited and waited. Eventually took it, but thought it would be seemed to be a pretty much range bound day. We've had a drop in volatility. At the time I stopped trading, and currently the daily range is 112.75, which is fairly low for Nasdaq. There are times where we have candles of 80 points, so it's a fairly low range here on Nasdaq today. So we're just happy to get out with 40 points at the moment. We are also at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we're just happy to get away. We've moved around our charts a little bit. So we just, rather than switching between tabs, we've put our daily charts down here and our hourly charts. And again, on our hourly charts, markets looks incredibly bullish, over 800 points moves from the lows. Had FOMC there, Apple earnings and NFP. From there, we've had this strong move here to the upside. And that's about it. Let's have a look at the trade performance here. So on the trade performance, this is where we drew down initially with the trade, the opening trade. Drew down, decided to switch pretty early on after seeing prices stall. I didn't wait for it to hit my stop. I pretty much decided to exit early and reverse the position. It actually worked in my favor, so managed to dig ourselves out of a hole there. And then from there, we grew the account all the way up to where we've ended the day, all the way at 49.01. It was about exit time, change it to entry time. So from about 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's where we were. So it's about an hour. We dug ourselves a bit of a hole, managed to dig ourselves back out, ended the day positive. So using these 5-minute charts seemed to be working for me, and also actively managing. Over here was where we there we were with a 21-point loss. So we're shorting around there. Actually short around 86, I think. Around 86 we were short. Prices came into the VWAP, bought back up, continued to hold the position, eventually got out above 200, reversed, took profit. We actually had a short on here. What was this short about? Yeah, I think this short was after I drew this box here into this area where we saw a lot of selling. So I drew a box incorporating the highs and this high as well. Prices came up and seemed a bit weak. That's the reason why I pretty much exited the long. Entered short as the market was flying to the downside. Saw this pin bar here. Thought it did look bullish, this pin bar coming off the, especially after a big move to the downside. Seeing this pin bar coupled with the 50 period, I thought price could potentially reverse. Eventually exited that position and went long. And we took profits. Long on this breakout, took profits again. And that's where we are at the moment. So prices may continue here to the upside. After that, we're looking for a move up towards that 297.50. Beyond that to the upside, we've got 338. Haven't got it marked out here. 338.25. It was a very significant level a couple of months ago. So got some levels to the upside to look out for. But I'm pretty much done for the day, and I think that covers everything here on this recap. So it's a bit shorter, a bit more concise, but that's where we'll leave it for today. And if you've watched the video, thanks for watching. Also think about liking it as well.